Hello everyone, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about learning AI. So, if you have started your journey as a Shopify developer and you want to learn how to use AI as a Shopify developer to make your work very automated and save your time, and of course create a complex solution in an easy way to share with your targets audience like Shopify store owner, Shopify developer, or Shopify seller, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. Here I am working as a Shopify developer from last 6 years plus, and also I am providing service relevant Shopify store design, customization, development, and SEO. And in these recent days, I am highly focused on learning AI, and that's why I'm thinking as my YouTube channel, I am talking about this channel fully Shopify based, and I am learning or upgrading my skill with AI. Then I have to share the experience with my audience, especially who are very beginner with Shopify and want to learn AI. We can use multiple AI tools for free like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. Also, we have other tools like DeepSeek. So in this video, I'm going to specifically learn about Claude because I'm using the Claude Pro, and that's why I think I have to know more details about Claude Pro, especially for its feature and the benefit and version or what categories type of feature we should use. So let's go back my computer screen and let's learn in details about its feature and benefit. So you see here right now I am on the Claude AI, and you see there has a multiple option to select the version like Frevel, Opus 5, Sonnet 5, Haiku 4.5, and here's the effort. We can select the effort like low, medium, high, extra, max, and also the version or model of its categories. So I'm just going to take a screenshot and ask ChatGPT to share the details about the model and its P chart and what I should use. So just take a screenshot. Okay, very simple. Command F, Command Shift, and pass 3. Then it will take a auto screenshot on your Mac. It's very easy. Now go back and okay. And now I'm going to type. I am using Claude Pro as beginner. I want to know its every model and version to know which one I should use and why. Every model features benefit and best for use. So I'm going to fix the version, typing benefit. Okay, so I hope you understand what I'm going to find out in here. Now let's see what's happening. Okay, since you are using Claude Pro for your business, YouTube, SEO, Shopify, blogging, automation, content, and agency work, it's worth understanding when each model save time and money. Exactly. From your screenshot, I can see this model are available. Yes. Fable of Sonnet, Haiku, older model. Cloud model family, think of them like a team. Okay. Every model is like a team. I understand it very clearly. Here, every model is like a team for me. And Haiku speed, very speed, intelligent, cost lowest, quick work, best for quick work. Sonnet, speed on average or little bit high, lower than high speed. Intelligent is best, medium, daily professional work. Off speed slow, intelligent best and highest, deep thinking. And Fable, speed very slow, intelligent super fast or more than 5 star, cost premium, extremely difficult reasoning. So I think as I need for daily professional work, Sonnet is best for me. I think it's and let's see what's ChatGPT suggest me. Haiku best for fast assistant. Think it as your junior employee. Haiku, okay. Haiku. Haiku weakness is business strategy, large coding, and deep SEO and complex. So that's mean I should not use Haiku. I must have to avoid Haiku. Okay. Sonnet, most popular use it. This is cloud balance model. Think of it, senior employee. Stand. Excellent at SEO, coding, marketing, business, copyright, YouTube, Shopify, Python, WordPress, AI code, AI prompt, blog writing, website audit, content strategy. Very smart, very smart. Really make silly mistake. Perfect for daily work, freelancer, agency, blogger, YouTuber, developer. If someone asks, I will want one model, I would say Sonnet 5. So here is the Sonnet 5. We are also going to learn more about others model. Ops 5, think about senior consultant. So Ops 5 is best for coding, difficult coding, business planning, AI system research, architecture, automation, and huge prompt, multi-step reason. And its downside is slower, use more credit. So I should not use Ops. And Fable 5, Claude most powerful reasoning model, world class expert consultant. Okay, speed, intelligent, coding, writing, business strategy, SEO. And here is the final answer. Which model should you use based on the work you have shared? Growing e-commerce thesis toward AdSense and affiliate revenue, creating Shopify WordPress tutorials, building AI workflow, selling course through Pfizer IT Institute, and eventually scaling to a full digital business. I would use the model like Sonnet for 80 to 90% work, then Ops 5 for 10 to 20% work. Okay, so I understand that I should use Sonnet, and here I'm using the wrong model for my daily life. So finally, I found which model or which AI model of Claude AI I should use for my daily life. So as I am working as a Shopify developer, SEO expert, and providing service, also growing my online business like developing e-commerce business and providing service to others e-commerce business owner. I think you understand how I have learned the basic about the every model of Claude AI. So, as you are my audience, I hope your goal and daily life or learning journey, everything very much very matching with my goal, and that's why I recommend you should start Sonnet. And you have also learning the basic about the every model of Claude AI. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. In this video, I hope you have learned something new as a beginner or as a new learner of AI tools. And of course, in the upcoming video, I'll share more useful tutorials or video guideline or resource to learn AI that you can apply on your daily professional life and make your life more fast, automate and save time, and you can earn more. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.